I'm David Jones, I'm the manager of the reuse shop. The reuse shop's been open for 3 years now. We've grown a lot bigger since we've opened. We stock everything from bikes to bric-a-brac, furniture, media, everything really, anything we can get our hands on. Yeah, we get a lot of people donating items. A lot of the people who donate will also leave with things, sometimes more than they've brought in. We get a lot of repeat customers as well, so once people see what we've got, they'll come back time again. The funds raised will go towards Nightingale House, which is a fantastic local charity. So we've got a table where people can leave donations outside, or people are more than welcome to bring items into the shop where we can either assist them and bring it in, or they can walk up to the counter and leave it with us where we'll organise and arrange from that. Pop in any time and see what offers we've got available, what stock we've got in. It always changes, it changes daily. We're open 7 days a week, 9 till 5.